the domestic tiger prowls the grey savannah of it. This is the first time we've ever heard it speak before. It speaks again. Kitty, come here. Be nice. Please, don't hurt me. Let's just hang out. Is it gonna bite me?
Maybe. It always bites my legs. Oh, it's purring.
Why does he like this?
Why do I love it? Baby.
Oh my god, this face is so cute right now.